And welcome to my video once again, ladies and gentlemen, friends and dreamers. How are you doing? Hope that all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well. So today in this video, we are going to talk about how we can learn English in a better way. And in today's video, I am going to share three powerful ideas that will help you to learn English effectively and efficiently. But before going to these ideas, I want to say something, and that is we all want to learn English, right? We all want to improve, but sometimes we lose our motivation, and without motivation everything becomes difficult, whether it's learning English or any other new skill. And that is the one reason why I always try to inspire my brothers and sisters through my videos. Okay, I try to say some motivational words so that my brothers or sisters can get inspired from me. So, that's the reason maybe why some people asked me, hey, Porosh brother, why do you speak like a motivational speaker? Do you have any plan to be a motivational speaker in the future? Today, I want to clear it. Yeah, look, the truth is, motivation is really essential for learning anything, right? And I strongly believe that if we are not motivated from inside, we are not going to achieve anything in our life. That is the reason why I try to speak like a motivational speaker, okay? So, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so let's come to the point. Our today's topic is how we can learn English in a better way. Now, I am going to share three powerful ideas with all of you, and I strongly believe that if you follow these ideas, you will improve your spoken English, okay? No matter what's your English level. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is do something extraordinary. Most people in our country, they learn English in an average way. That's why they also get the average result. But if you want extraordinary results, then you have to do something extraordinary, okay? So, for example, when I started my English journey, I did not have any big plans. But later, after starting learning English, then I realized how important English is for ourselves. And then I made some good plans for learning English, and then I tried my best, and as a result, as you can see, now I am being able to speak in front of you. So everything right now everything is in average situation. Everyone is just doing their regular work. So if you want some extraordinary results, then you have to do something extraordinary that others are not doing. Okay, so this is my first thing, this is my first idea, you can say, that I want to share with you. So try to do something different that others are not doing. It will make you a better one. Okay, so this is the first thing, and let's move to our second thing. The second thing is build a strong mindset. You have to have a strong mindset. If you don't have a strong mindset, I'm pretty sure you are not going to learn it. Mindset is really, really important. But the truth is, most of us, we don't have a strong mindset. As a result, we start our journey, but after a few days, we give up because maybe there are so many reasons behind it. But today, I'm not interested to talk about those reasons. Today, I want to share some ideas how we can learn English in a better way. So if we want to learn English in a better way, then we have to have a strong mindset. Okay, when I started my journey, I did not have anyone around me who could help me. In my family, there were no one to help me. But I take my all responsibility, and my mindset was something like that. Okay, this is my life. So if something good is happening, that is happening just because of me. If something wrong is happening, that is also happening just because of me. I am completely responsible for all these things. So you also need to feel it in yourself that it is your life. So if you want to achieve something meaningful in your life, then you have to take your own responsibility. As a result, for learning anything, mindset is really, really important. Okay, so try to develop a strong mindset that will always inspire you to learn English. So that's why it's better to make some good plans for your journey. Like you can make some plans for 3 months, for 6 months. It will be beneficial for you. I'm pretty sure about it. Okay, my mindset was something like that. Okay, when I started my journey, I did not have any idea about English. But later, I was realizing the value of English. There are so many things in the world to discover, and English is the key to discovering all those things. Okay, so if you can learn English, or like if you can speak English, or if you make conversation with anyone, then you will be able to discover all the things that we need to discover in the world. And English is the only language that will enrich our value. Okay, so try to build a strong mindset for learning English. I know you are struggling with English, and everyone is just trying to learn English from their own position. But maybe our approach, the style, the way we are learning is not perfect for us. So try to change it, try to build a strong mindset. We have to have a strong mindset in order to learn anything, whether it's learning English or any other new skill. So this is the second thing. And let's move to our third and final idea that I want to tell you is learn in your own way. Everyone has his or her own way to learn, right? So try to follow it. You don't need to follow traditional methods or traditional approach for learning anything. If you feel comfort with your own way, just try to learn. For example, and I use my passion for learning English. I'm fond of watching cricket. So that's why since when I started my journey, from that time, I focused on listening English commentary. I'm fond of cricket, so every time I enjoy, I enjoyed watching cricket. Still now I am enjoying cricket match. BPL is going on, so I always try to watch BPL cricket, not just for enjoyment. I also watch cricket to improve my English. When I listen English commentary, my brain is getting enough input, and later when I speak, my brain automatically provides me some useful words that is really helpful for me. So you also need to use your passion for learning anything. For example, if you enjoy watching movies, then try to watch a lot of English movies. If you are fond of listening to music, then try to listen a lot. When you listen a lot, your brain will get enough input, and later when you will try to speak, your brain will help you so many good materials for speaking English. So just try to follow these steps. It will make you a better one, and you are going to make it happen. Just believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, then nobody else could believe in you. So this is our life. So if we want to make it a valuable one, then we have to take some initiatives that will help us to make ourselves a better one and be our better version. Okay, so this is the three steps that you can follow in order to improve your language proficiency. Because I know, I have been getting so many questions from my brothers and sisters that, brother, how can we learn English in a better way? So these are the steps that you can follow, or you can say these are the ideas that you can follow in order to improve your English. Okay, so yes, that is the thing. So my final message would be for you is try to learn every day, try to practice every single day. Just try to use what you learn. Okay, just try to use it. All right, so this is the thing, and this is the reason why I have come here in this beautiful morning. As you can see, just look at the view behind me. It looks so attractive, right? Isn't it? It's really a beautiful view. Although it's cold morning, the air is so cold, and I'm feeling the pinch of the cold right now. Okay, there are so many tall buildings behind me, as you can see, and this is called our Narangan city. Just look at the view. It's so amazing, right? All right. So try to follow my all steps. It will help you. I'm pretty much sure, because it helped me in my own journey. I have been learning English for last 1 year and it has been an amazing journey. So if you want, you can follow these steps. I hope after a certain time of period, you will be able to speak in English. So great day to all of you. I don't want to make it more longer. It's time to say goodbye. And later, let's see what can I do for you in the next time. Okay, so till then, stay connected with me. If you found this video beneficial, then considering to subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for me, because I am trying to share my ideas with all of you. And if you subscribe my channel, then there are so many things that are waiting for. There are so many things that is waiting for you. So try to follow my channel, try to subscribe my YouTube channel, and follow my Facebook page. So it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Have a great day.